Hello students, this is Dayanand sir and once again I am present to teach you chapter number 4. The title of chapter is COMMUNITIES Communities. Through this video we will learn to read this chapter. Through this video we will do reading practice because without reading we can't learn anything. So, if you want to learn everything, you have to learn the reading skill. Okay, students? So, let's start this reading practice. In page number 28, first word is STARTING, starting point, starting point. And in this chapter we will learn. What is the correct pronunciation? Learn. ABOUT, about. COMMUNITIES, communities. And we will learn ABOUT, about. THE, the. DIFFERENT, different. PARTS, parts. OF, of a community. Okay, so students, actually to correct pronunciation of tough word, this is important that we have to improve ourselves the reading skill. That's why I have prepared this video for reading section. Okay, now come to the page number 29. In page number 29, LEARNING, learning. LADDER, ladder, learning ladder. WHAT, what. IS is a. COMMUNITY, community. What is community? A GROUP, group. OF, of. PEOPLE, people. LIVING, living. TOGETHER, together. in a. PARTICULAR, particular. AREA, area. IS is. CALLED, called. A. COMMUNITY, community. Full stop. A community. May. INCLUDE, include. RESIDENT, resident. WELFARE, welfare. ASSOCIATIONS, association. In short form, RWAs. PARKS, parks. COMMUNITY, community. CENTRAL, TRES, centers. AND and CLUBS, clubs. So now next line. LET, late. US, READ, read. ABOUT, about. THEM, them. First is RESIDENT, WELFARE, welfare. ASSOCIATION, association. Number 1. IT, it. TAKES, takes. CARE, care. OF, of. THE, the. NEEDS, needs. Needs means जरूरत. Of. THE, the. PEOPLE, people. LIVING, living. IN, in. A. PARTICULAR, particular. CAREA, particular, area. IT, it. WORKS, works. FOR, THE, the. WELFARE, welfare. OF, of. The. RESIDENTS, residents. AND, and. MAINTAINS, maintains. CLEANLINESS, cleanliness. IN, THE, the. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. Number 3. IT, it. CONDUCTS, conducts. REGULAR, regular. MEETINGS, meetings. WHERE, where. ALL, all. THE, the. MEMBERS, members. CAN, DISCUSS, discuss. IMPORTANT, important. ISSUES, issues. What? Issues. AFFECTING, affecting. A particular area. Next point. IT, it. ALSO, also. ORGANISES, organizes. VARIOUS, various. CULTURAL, cultural. What? Cultural. EVENTS, events. What? Events. FOR, THE, the. RESIDENTS, residents. FOR, EXAMPLE, example. DURGA, Durga. PUJA, Puja. and DIWALI, Diwali. Next point is IT, it, also ORGANISES, organizes, EVENTS, events, SUCH, such, AS, as, BLOOD, blood, DONATION, donation, blood donation, and EYEICHECK, check, UP, campus, I checkup camp, CAMPS, camps, NERESIDENT, resident, can, BEBAMEMBER, member, of, the, ASSOCIATION, association, and VOLUNTEER, volunteer, what? Volunteer, TO, help, volunteer to help. Now in column knowing is fun, A, MUNCIPAL, municipal, CORPORATION, corporation, municipal corporation, WORKS, works, for, the, WELFARE, welfare, of, the, CITIZENS, citizens, LIVING, living, in a CITY, city. Municipal corporation is works for the welfare of citizens living in a city. Okay. Now come to page number 30. PARK, park. PARK, IS is a SPACE space WHERE, where PEOPLE, people, play, read, and RELAX, relax. It has SWINGS, swings, and SLIDES, slides. WHERE, where, CHILDREN, children, what? Children, PLAY, play. It has BENCHES, benches, FOR, the, ELDERLY, elderly. What pronunciation? ELDERLY, elderly. WHO, who, can, SIT, sit, and READ, read, or TALK, talk, THEIR, their friends. Next point is people also come to the park to PRACTISE, practice yoga, 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 and EXERCISE, exercise. Next part is community centers. COMMUNITY, community centers are FOUND, found in some, NEIGHBOURH, Neighborhoods. Neighborhoods. What? Neighborhoods. First point of community centers is it provides. Provides means उपलब्ध कराना. Space, space, space. TO2 celebrate. DIFFERENT different. OCCASIONS occasions. What is the pronunciation? Occasions. It provides 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 SPACE space to CONDUCT conduct meetings MEETINGS meetings. Next point is this SPACE space can be used for CONDUCTING conducting VARIOUS various VOLUNTEERING volunteer से बना है volunteering activities ACTIVITIES volunteering activities like BLOOD blood DONATION donation blood donation camps blood donation camps. Next point is it provides 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 SPACE space for sports. What? Sports. And cultural. What? Cultural. Events as WELL. Well, it provides space for sports and cultural events as well. So in page number 39, page number 30, okay students. Now in page number 31, next part of community is SOCIAL, social. WELFARE, fair, welfare, social welfare. CLUB, club, social welfare club. It SPREADS, spreads means फैलाना. AWARENESS, awareness means जागरूकता फैलाना. ABOUT, about. The IMPORTANCE, importance. of the ENVIRONMENT, environment. What? Environment भी पढ़ सकते हैं, environment. Next is it COLLECTS, collects. It collect करना means जमा करना, संग्रह करना. It collects THINGS, things like food items, ITEMS, items. CLOTHES, clothes. TOYS, toys means खिलौने. and STATIONERY, stationery. What? Pronunciation this word? Stationery for the needy. NEEDY, needy. It collects things like food items, clothes, toys and stationery for the needy. Next club is reading club. In a reading club, people come together and read different books. They discuss about the books they have read with each other. Next things is they exchange their books with each other. This club also ORGANISES, organizes. VARIOUS, various. What? Various. INTERACTIVE, interactive. What is pronunciation? Interactive. ACTIVITIES, activities. For example, STORYTELLING, storytelling, कहानी सुनाना, storytelling. and POETRY, poetry reading. So students, you will do the reading practice like this to improve your reading skill. Okay, thank you.